Good morning, everyone. We are up here Saturday morning. Saturday, I think it's the 19th of February. Anyways, we got our cows here, and we're gonna get started feeding. George ain't here today, so I'm gonna be feeding today. So we gotta see what kind of hay we need to get out. And all right, looks like the tractor's plugged in, so that's good. We're gonna go ahead and start this tractor up, and then we got to get back the mixer wagon out, and then get it loaded up, and then we got to feed on top of the hill, and then we got to take the mixer wagon and feed here and a couple other places. Alright, we're going to give 6125 a little bit to warm up because it's definitely cold. So, let's get up here and start up 40. Okay, maybe it's not going to start. My guess is that was just plugged in here very recently. So we're gonna, I guess, let that block heater work there. I thought it got plugged in last night, but apparently not. Alright, well, I know you didn't click on this video to see me feeding cows, but we will be getting to the farm show later. And we will be picking up some equipment that we bought. Actually, it should just be one thing. But anyways, we're going to be going over there later today. It is pretty common for farmers around in the area of the farm show to buy the stuff that they have sitting there on display. It works out pretty good. It's close for us to go get. And, you know, we guarantee the product because it's sitting there. And it's also good for the manufacturer because they don't have to fool with taking the product back to their inventory warehouse or whatever they do with it. So anyways, we are going to be picking up a post driver over there today. We'll have to get it set on the truck and everything. So anyways, that's what we'll be doing here in a little bit. We got to get the cows fed, and we're probably going to head over there after lunch. Alright, we got the gate open. We got a bucket of silage heading up on top of the hill. Alright, just got it dumped in the troughs there. They're making their way over. They heard me up here. Looks like they got plenty of hay for the weekend here. So these cows are good. Alright, tractor started up now, so we're gonna get started feeding. Alright, we just got the mixer wagon fed, and I just stopped in here at the farm while we're going past, because we have to go past here anyways. I'm going to fill it up with a little fuel, just so we don't have to worry about running out of fuel. I don't know if the gauge works right or not, but it shows we're a little below half the tank, but I don't know if I believe it or not, so I'm not sure if it works. So over there, they've been hauling manure, him and Dad. So it looks like they're going to put some straw out there. We got to load this mixer wagon back up, and we got 2 places to put out hay, and then that should be it. Alright, we finished loading the mixer wagon, and now we put 4 bales out over here at the Bennett place, and now we are going to take a bale from over here, which we have on the back, and we're taking that up to Papa's to put in that pasture. So after that, we'll be all done. I got the mixer loaded up and everything, so we'll be good to go for tomorrow morning. Alright, I figured I'd film putting a bale out up here. We put some new rock down up here and fixed this all up the other day. So it's a little bit nicer to feed up here. You can actually get turned around with the feed wagon and not get stuck. I guess we oh! Well, I didn't mean to set it down like that, but I guess it worked. Alright, well, I came back up here to put the tractor away, and we got a cow having her baby here, so I'm gonna sit here and keep an eye on her. It's that second one right there. I don't know if you can see, but anyways, I'm gonna keep an eye on her here. She's already in the pen over here, the calving pen, so I'm just gonna sit here and make sure she's okay and that she starts licking her off whenever she does have it. So looks like she's doing okay for now. Yeah. Yeah, but you couldn't use it for growing after you plant it. That'd be a pretty nice little upgrade there from the old Coon in the 4440. Here's something we're looking at. Here's some tanks to store nitrogen and fertilizer in. Get a little bit of red. Big tin can. That's a drill there. I think it's like 50 foot or something. Holy cow.
Running off a chain, but I guess each unit has its own little drive.
Looking at these doors for our new building here, the power lift.
So once again, it's Cody. If you can see the one man, Brad, up there. We came back to the farm show. Today is Saturday. It's us here, and Bradley is mad about the lights up here. If you can see, it is. Should have brought our pit viper, shouldn't we have? But you could tell a lot of things have left, and a lot of people have left today. But I mean, it's literally closing as we speak right now. We just had to come back for stuff. So, yep.
All right. Show's closed down. We're waiting here to get the post driver. We gotta come in here with the truck and get it. Well, this is what it looks like whenever they're closing it down. Nobody in here. This is our post driver here. So we're sitting here kind of just waiting on Dad to get back. I'm just sitting in the heat right now. We got our post driver sitting there, and Dad's calling me right now. Hello. This is a difficult place to get around because it's so big and there's nowhere to like, you know, you can say you were at the door that was open, but there's about 500 doors open right now. So anyways, we're gonna sit here and wait on him, see if we can wave him over here. Post driver's sitting right down there. So people are probably looking at me like I'm an idiot standing here talking to myself, but oh well. Well, now we've got to go back in here and find where the guy with the skid loader is, because we have Dad parked out there now, and we got the post driver sitting out there, but we don't have a skid loader to get it on the flatbed. So I gotta go back down here to the booth and get the guys to find out where the skid loader's at. They sure don't waste any time getting out of here. I guess they want to get home. So anyways, they're getting out. I think everybody started packing up at about 3 o'clock. Show closes down at 5. So anyways, we'll see what we can do here. All right, we got the skid loader coming out. You know, we'll take one last jog through the alley while we're in here. It's very easy to film in here because, you know, there's not people surrounding me. So anyways, got your bale wrapper. So I don't know, we were trying to figure out what this thing is. I guess it's a baler and a wrapper. I guess you dump your loose hay into this end, and then it brings it through, bales it up, and then wraps it on that end. Anyways, a bunch of hay tools here and everything like that. So heck, we'll just go this way while we're waiting. Got the Penta booth here. Bunch of stuff. They got the doors open. Everybody that's bought something is getting their stuff out, and the companies are getting their stuff out as well. Got some seed tenders. Planter row units. That's pretty cool. How much hay stuff, cattle stuff. And there's Dad. Well, we are on our way back down to the booth again because we thought we had the grease and the grease gun, but we didn't. So anyways, I'm gonna run back down here. I think the skid loader, I just seen it going out as I was going in, so I guess they're gonna get that loaded here. We'll get back down here.